About 10 o'clock at night, wife said, hey, heater, dryer's not drying.
Make sure you shut the power off. Should be a 15-amp breaker.
Alright guys, check this out. Quick fix. So, it's about 10 o'clock at night. Wife said, hey, heater, dryer's not drying. Took it all apart. This is the heating coil, the heating element. So it was broken. If you have a break in the coil, it'll stop heating. So I just went ahead and ordered another one. It'll be here tomorrow. But just to get the kids' clothes dried up and ready for tomorrow, I just crimped these together. You can see there. Zoom in a little bit, zoom in. So, nothing fancy. Just get a quick crimp. I'll place these back in the holders here. And then we'll get it set up. Just get it set back up. Get it ready for tomorrow. Alright, man. Quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe for weekly savings and hacks.